welcome to a wonderful lunch. Let's see, can we get another friend to join us today? Or
Foe?
Or a foe? Friend? Yeah, a foe.
Friend or
foe?
foe?
Like a faux show?
Friend or foe? I don't remember what that's from.
I don't remember
I
either.
think it's a kid movie.
Probably. Which one are we going
Our
with?
personalities are more entertaining than what comes in these packs. Is the right one.
Hey, journey time! I mean, hey, we left Destin for the end.
You're welcome. It's destined to be great.
Yes.
It says destined rivals. Well, it's not a rival if there's not another rival.
Right, so something's got to be great enough to cause rivalry.
Exactly. This is just the journey to get there.
Oh, that would be pretty nice. Alright. Grass.
I saw that wood grass trainer.
Trainer. Hey.
Grass.
Aw. It's a dragon.
Looks pretty grassy to me in the desert. Way back there, you see.
Wait, yes, far out there.
Far out, man.
Water.
Yeah.
There's your grass.
Probably needs some water. It's looking pretty thirsty.
Not as thirsty as your bag on out in the desert.
Fire. Yeah.
No.
Magmar's making it hot.
That's not very good for my Brock. Fighting. Hey, there's some grass.
I'm not gonna fight a caterpillar.
I'm gonna fight that caterpillar.
You're gonna win.
That little caterpillar doesn't even know what's coming.
Water. Yeah, I'll stick with water. We'll go water.
Steel energy.
No,
Nah,
but
I had a feeling it was not a normal.
it was not the other two that popped into my head, so it's fine.
Okay, good. Right. We'll go with grass. Hey!
Get your flour and put it in a pot. Water.
Ooh!
I had to reverse psychology these packs.
Wow, that's like our third hit out of this lunch pail.
I had the damaged lunch pail, had the goods.
It did. And I like that one. That's one of my favorite arts out of Journey Together.
Noise. Noise.
Go with dark. I almost said grass. Butterfree. I win. And we got ourselves a Noibat to show up for lunch. He's eating already. He brought himself some snacks.
Looks like a Smeagol.
Smeagol's eating the berries.
Cave.
My precious berries. Here is a code card for you guys. On that, have a great afternoon, breakfast, and lunch, and dessert.